RBA could drop to as low as 3% by the end of 2025. So it sort of suggests you might be better off hanging on in a variable loan rather than rushing in and getting a fixed rate. G'day everyone, this is Louise. There's been some amazing things happening. I heard an update from NAB's chief economist, Alan Otter. He believes that the RBA could drop to as low as 3% by the end of 2025. So that will be a drop of over 1%, well over. And that says to me the fixed rates are currently on offer, not 1% lower. They are significantly higher than that. So it sort of suggests you might be better off hanging on in a variable loan rather than rushing in and getting a fixed rate loan just yet. But let's see what comes. But at the moment, that seems to be the advice that's out there. People believe next year by February, when the RBA meets again after the end of this year, because they don't meet in January, that they would at least start cutting by February, and then they'll cut quite significantly. So if we can hang on. The other thing I wanted to talk to you about is numerous people have been asking me about discharging their loan, and they think they could just pay the money in and close it. It doesn't quite work like that, because you will have interest to pay. So it's a really good idea to ring the bank first, find out exactly what you owe on the day you want to close it, so you can put the exact money in and then close it. And then there'll be no back and forth with extras. But that's one part of the process. The second part is if you have paid off all the loans associated with that property and you want the title back, you then notify the bank, yes, I want my title back. Please notify the titles office that I have paid off my loan. And then they will do that procedure for you. You'll have to sign the discharge form, send it back in to the lender, and they will nominate an account where they'll charge you a few $100s to organise this, and then hopefully they will either notify you or send you the document for notifying that your title has been released. Generally, titles are now electronic, but they notify you that this has actually occurred now, and the title is unencumbered as such, has no debt on it. So just out of interest, so I thought you might like to know about that, but if you ever want to know more, don't hesitate to ask me. Take care.